Alrighty, I'm going to go through the triangle congruency homework. It's good practice. I'm going to do all of it. So make sure you're trying it by yourself and pausing me throughout the video, okay, or else you're not going to learn it. So here we go. It's kind of fun. A name. Okay. For each pair of triangles, state the postulate or theorem that can be used to conclude that the triangles are congruent. So side, angle, etc., etc. So side, angle, and that's all we're gonna use. So yeah, here we go. Number one. So number one, I know side, angle, and then, okay, so side and angle. And then they have a shared, these two triangles have a shared side, so that is congruent to itself. So that gives me side, angle, side, side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Number two. Go ahead and look at number two. Pause me and try it. Okay. So I have side, side, and side, side. Okay, so I know two of my sides are congruent to each other. So that's 2 out of 3. But then they also have a shared side. So 1, 2, 3. Shared sides are congruent. So this is congruent by side, side, side. All right, next one, number 3. Okay, number 3 is a little bit harder. We have angle, side, angle, side. And then that's all they give us, but we have to remember our vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent to each other, so, oops, my bad. I don't know what I did there. So stop being a pain in the butt. Here. So this angle is congruent to this angle by vertical angles. Okay. Vertical angles are congruent. So now I have angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. If you want, you can always fill in your vertical angles if that helps you. Okay, vertical angles are always going to be congruent to each other. Number 4. Well, let's see, I have angle and another angle. So I know 2 angles are congruent. And then what else do I know? They also have that shared side. Shared sides are congruent. So that gives me angle, side, angle. Side, angle. Okay. The next one, number 5. I have angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, and then side. That works. That's one of them. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. All right, number 6. What do I have for number 6? I have a side, and then I have an angle. What else do I know? They have a shared side, so this shared side is congruent to itself. So side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Go ahead and look at number 7. You should be pausing me and trying these by yourself. So number 7, we have side, angle, and then we have vertical angles. So let's go ahead and put those in. So this angle is congruent to this angle. Let's see if that helps us. So now I have side, angle, angle. That works. That's the same thing as angle, 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 side. Goodness. So you can go ahead. Oh, never mind. Sorry. And you can keep it like that, side, angle, angle, or you can write angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Okay, but they mean the same thing, so either one's fine. Okay. 1 second. I need to pause you. Okay. Number 8, we have, what do we have? We know our angle, and then we have a shared side. So if you want to put a mark on the shared side, you can always put a mark there. Shared sides are always congruent, so angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. All right, number 9, go ahead and try number 9. Pause me and try it. Number 9, we have 2, we already know that 2 out of 3 sides are congruent, and then they have a shared side. That was, oh, there we go. A little wonky, but it works. So that is side, side, side. All 3 sides. Number 10, go ahead and draw in your congruency mark on the shared side. Boop. They share a side, so that means it's congruent to itself. So I have angle, side, angle. Number 11, I'm going to go ahead and draw in my mark on my shared side. Let's see. So I have angle, side, side. Angle, side, side. Angle, side, side. Ooh, that's not one of them. So that is not congruent. Okay, that is not one of our theorems. Okay, fine, stay there. It won't let me delete it. Okay, angle, side, side. If I knew this angle, then it would be angle, side, angle, but we don't. So angle, side, side. Or if you go over here, angle, side, side. So no. All right. Number 12, last one on here for this. Wait, no, that's not true. Is there more? Never mind, there's more. Go ahead and draw in your congruency line on the shared side. So that means all 3 sides are congruent, so that's side, side, side. Number 13, go ahead and draw in your congruency mark on your shared side. They both share this side, so it's congruent to itself. So once again, we have side, side, side. Number 14, draw in your vertical angles. They are congruent to each other. Okay. What does that help? I now have side, angle, side. Those are congruent by side, angle, side. Number 15, draw in your congruency mark on your shared side. Boop. So then I have angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. And that is one of them. So we're congruent by angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. All right, or if you do it over here, angle, angle, side. Alrighty. Number 16, drawing your line of congruency on the shared side. Boop. Okay, so then I have side, angle, angle, or angle, angle, side, if you will. So whichever way you want to write it. Angle, side. Okay, angle, angle, side. So those are congruent by angle, angle, side. Here, if you don't believe me, look, I have the answers. Mwahaha. Okay. Don't look ahead. Okay. Number 17. Drawing your line of congruency on the shared side. They both share this side. I'm going to put 2 lines on it. There we go. So that is side, angle, side. Side, 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 angle, side. And the last one. Drawing your line of congruency on the shared side. Boop. See if that helps us. So now I have angle, side, angle. Okay, these, you're just completing the congruency statement. So for number 1, so make sure you're matching them up. Triangle FIG is congruent to, so triangle FIG, okay, is congruent to HIG. HIG. Number 2, triangle NOP, NOP, NOP is congruent to NQP. So just make sure you're matching up the congruent sides with each other. I forgot NQP. NQP. Okay, here. Make sure I'm doing it right, and I am. Whew. All right, number 3, triangle ABC. Number 3, triangle ABC. ABC. So which one of these is congruent to A on the other triangle? D. So it's going to be DEC. Triangle DEC. Number 4, triangle STU. 4. Okay, STU is congruent to that. STU is congruent to, which has the same angle as S. S has the same angle. All right, so it's going to be SRU. Ooh. Number 5. Oh, I didn't read it. Shoot. Number 5, JKM. Okay, JK. So JKM is congruent to which triangle? So which angle is congruent to J? L. Okay, JKM. So I'm going to have to write it down to JKM. All right. So then our new one's going to be L. And then which is congruent? So it goes J to K. So what's congruent to JK? LM. And then, well, then it has to go to K. LMK. So you're matching up the congruent sides and congruent angles. So angle J is congruent to angle L. That's why they're in the same spot. They're both first. Angle K is congruent to angle M. That's why they're in the same spot. And then angle M is congruent to angle K. Angle, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Angle M. Oh, this angle M. Angle M is congruent to angle K in this triangle. That's why they're in the same spot. So MLK. MLK. Oh, I missed it. Okay. Number 6. Oh, wait, read it. OPN. Okay. OPN. OPN. Right. So O is congruent to which angle in the triangle below? Angle O is congruent to which angle in the triangle below? Q. Q. And then P is congruent to P. Oh, that's boring. And then N is congruent to N. See how they both have the 1 mark? So N is congruent to N. So QPN. QPN. All right, number 7, ACB. Okay, so angle A is congruent to angle D. So it's going to be D. Angle C in this triangle is congruent to angle C in that triangle. All right, and then B is congruent to E. So DCE. Oh, C. Okay. GFI. GFI. Wait, number 8? Yeah, number 8. GFI. Okay. GFI. So triangle GFI, GFI is congruent to, so what angle is congruent to G? G. What angle is congruent to F? H. And what angle is congruent to I? I. So G, H, I. So make sure you're writing them in the correct order. It matters. G, H, I. I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to stop. KLM. So number 9. KLM. KLM is congruent to KLM here. Angle K. Oh. Okay, so KLM. So K is congruent to KLM. So it looks like KLM is going to be one second. Okay, now KLM. KLM is going to be congruent to, so KL that's kind of annoying that they did that, but okay. Hold on. I don't think I like number 9, but we're going to do it anyway. Yeah, they did. I don't like that, but that's fine. They've been so nice up until now. So now you're going to match up your sides. So we've been relying on our angles a lot. Now we have to rely on our sides because it's side, side, side. So side KL is congruent to which side of the other triangle? Side KL is congruent to which side of the other triangle? This side, right? They both have the 2 markings. Okay, so it's going to be MJ, from M to J. So K to L is the same as MJ, and then MJ, and then back down to K. Okay, and JK and ML are congruent, so that makes sense. So KL is congruent to MJ, and then LM is congruent to JK. All right, that one was kind of annoying. MJK. Okay, Okay, now I only said I'll do one more after that. And let's do another side one because that was kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm going to skip to number 12. Number 12, SUR, triangle SUR. Okay. Triangle SUR is congruent to SUR. Okay. SUR. So then this is going to be UST. UST. Let me make sure that makes sense. So SU is congruent to US, okay. And then UR U to R is congruent to S. Oh, no, I messed that up. It is just SUT. Sorry. So SU is congruent to SU. UR. So it has the 2 lines on it. UR has the 2 lines on it. It's congruent to UT. And then RS is congruent to TS. All right, so there you go. So SUT. All right. Okay, I lied. One more. 11, you don't have to do anything for because they're not congruent. What did I skip? I skipped. Oh, I wrote that in the wrong spot. That was number 12. Sorry. Okay, now I skipped something. SUT. Okay, number 10, let's go back and do number 10, PON. So triangle PON is congruent to P. Oh, and now you can just match up angles again, which I like. So angle P is congruent to angle P. Angle O is congruent to angle Q. And then angle N is congruent to angle N. So PQN. Okay. Number 10. PQN. Okay. Now I think I'm going to be done. No, I'll do number 11 and then I'll be done. That way I didn't skip any. Oh, number 11 is not congruent. So you don't have to worry about number 11. So never mind. Okay. I think that's all I'm going to do. Make sure that you go back and you know how to do all those all those constructions. Okay. I did all of them in the 7.5 homework help video. Make sure you know triangle congruency, which we just did. And make sure you know how to transform one figure onto the other. So we did that a little bit in Friday's homework, and we did that a little bit. I believe it was I wrote it on the study guide. Now I can't remember. I wrote it on the study guide. Okay. Alrighty. All right. Okay, I'm done.